Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. Good morning to all my respected teachers, guardians and dear friends. We have all gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of this Independence Day on 15th August. Many best wishes and congratulations to all of you for this auspicious occasion. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I have got the opportunity to address you all. Thank you very much for this. Friends, as we know that August 15th is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15th August 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from the British Empire by putting their lives at stake. So we celebrate this day historically in his memory and honor, because on this day we got freedom from British rule, which is incompatible. The British government oppressed the people of India for many years and kept us as slaves. On the 15th August, we got freedom from the slavery of the British and we became completely independent. In the relentless pursuit of this freedom, we lost many great people in our country. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about their lives for the independence of the country and willingly sacrificed for the country. The most important contribution to the independence of our country has been made by Mahatma Gandhi, who forced him to leave India by using weapons like truth and non-violence against British rule. There were many other freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, etc., who contributed to the independence of India and liberated the country from British slavery. We are very fortunate to have found such great freedom fighters and revolutionaries in history, and they liberated not only the country but also the coming generations from the slavery of the British. For this reason, we are free today and we are achieving new achievements day by day. Today, 74 years after independence, our country is moving towards progress in every field. Our country is writing a new chapter every day in different fields like military strength, education, technologies, sports and many other fields. It is writing a new dimensions every day. Today, our military strength is equipped with modern weapons, which have the power to annihilate my enemy in the blink of an eye. As we know that our country has been an agriculture country since ancient times, and after 15th August 1947, our agriculture sector has also changed a lot. After independence, we produce more quantities of crops using techniques in agriculture and new methods of growing crops, and today our country is at the forefront of exporting grains. In 1965, during the war between India and Pakistan, the Prime Minister Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan, and today this slogan proves to be quite. Today, after independence, we have made a lot of progress in the field of science as well. Due to this scientific technique, India has went to Mars today. By innovating scientific technology every day, we are taking the country towards new progress. We are adapting science and technology in every field for ourselves. By adopting science and technology in the fields of military, agriculture, education, we have been able to make ourselves at par with progressive countries. After independence, we have made progress in every field and are writing new dimensions every day. On this occasion of independence, we are discussing the new dimensions of the progress of the country. We should never forget the scene of slavery where our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for freedom. Even today, our eyes become moist by remembering those great people. In modern times, we should not forget those great revolutionaries because today we are living our life freely. The credit goes to those people. Addressing you today on this auspicious occasion, I end my speech by paying my respect and tributes to those great revolutionists. Many thanks to all of you. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind.